Hello, I am Theodore Belecciu, and in this 3-minute paper presentation, I will be discussing a paper titled D3Pockets, a method and web server for the systematic analysis of protein pocket dynamics. So in this paper, the authors aim to describe the features of a web server they designed, which measures the dynamic properties of protein binding pockets using molecular dynamics. So for their analysis, they used 5 protein structures, including the HIV-1 protease. And the authors begin by mentioning that plenty of software exists that is able to find potential binding sites on a rigid protein body. And software also exists that analyzes individual dynamic properties of pockets, but none, to their knowledge, exists that explores pocket stability, continuity, and correlation together. So that's what they aim to set the server up to do. To gauge pocket stability, the server runs a molecular dynamics simulation, and coordinates within a pocket that are observed more frequently throughout the trajectory are colored red to indicate stability, i.e. coordinates that maintain their position relatively from start to end of the simulation. They are considered stable coordinates. They don't move a lot. Conversely, coordinates that change significantly in their position from the beginning to the end of the simulation are colored blue, and they are designated as unstable, and this can be seen in Figure 1. The server, to gauge pocket continuity, also uses molecular dynamics, and in this, the merging of pockets during the MD trajectory can be seen. This is an instructive aid in seeing how pockets can merge together to form a pathway from a ligand going to its final destination. Lastly, the software analyzes pocket correlation via MD by seeing how the volumes of pockets change with respect to each other as the simulation progresses. For example, one pocket gets larger and another one also gets larger in volume. The authors have observed that such a positive correlation may identify allosteric sites. In their analysis, a negative correlation was found to locate a cofactor binding site. So overall, this web server can serve as an instructive aid in conducting a more thorough analysis of binding pockets, and it may also help the user identify properties of binding pockets, such as whether or not they are allosteric sites or cofactor binding sites. Thank you.